Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on our channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can view recently watched videos on YouTube. Please, friends, do not forget to put your likes under the video, write comments after watching, and also subscribe to our channel. So let's get down to our topic. And for this, open the YouTube app on your phone. And then you'll need to go to the Use section at the bottom. And here you'll find a section called History. And you can flip from right to left like this to find one that you've watched recently. But unfortunately, this list on this page is limited. And say if you don't find a video that you've recently watched, then you'd have to click on View All and scroll down so you can find a video that you like, that you want to revisit again, let's say. Or if you want to delete that video, then you have to click on the three dots and select Delete from Watch History. And that way you will instantly remove the video from your viewing history. Friends, this is how you will be able to view recently viewed videos on YouTube. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.